fascinating study today focusing on the Aedes albopictus mosquito, also known as the Asian tiger mosquito. This invasive species poses a significant threat, and this research sheds light on its susceptibility to insecticides in a specific region.
Indeed. The spread of Aedes albopictus is a global concern capable of transmitting serious diseases. Understanding its insecticide resistance is crucial for effective vector control.
Exactly. This particular study, conducted in Morocco, is the first of its kind in the region. What makes this research so important?
It provides baseline data on the mosquito's susceptibility to insecticides commonly used in Morocco. This information is vital for guiding public health strategies.
So, what insecticides were tested, and what were the key findings?
The study tested 4 insecticides representing different classes: cyfluthrin, a pyrethroid, DDT, an organochlorine, bendiocarb, a carbamate, and phenanthrothion, an organophosphate. They also looked at timefos, an organophosphate used against larvae.
Right. And what did the test reveal about the mosquito's susceptibility?
Interestingly, the adult mosquitoes showed susceptibility to cyfluthrin, but resistance to DDT, bendiocarb, and phenanthrothion. The larval stage, however, remained susceptible to timefos.
That's quite a contrast between larval and adult susceptibility. What does this tell us about the effectiveness of current control measures in Morocco?
The susceptibility to cyfluthrin, a commonly used pyrethroid, is positive news. However, the resistance to other insecticides highlights the need for ongoing monitoring and potentially the exploration of alternative control strategies.
I see. The resistance to DDT is particularly striking given its discontinued use. What could explain this?
That's a key point. The resistance to DDT, despite its absence from recent vector control programs, suggests the presence of pre-existing resistance mechanisms within the population, possibly due to genetic factors or cross-resistance from other insecticides.
What are the potential mechanisms behind this resistance?
2 primary mechanisms are often involved: mutations in voltage-gated sodium channels, KDR mutations, and increased production of detoxification enzymes. Further research is needed to pinpoint the exact mechanisms in this Moroccan population.
Right. And what are the implications of these findings for public health strategies in Morocco?
The findings underscore the importance of integrated vector management. While pyrethroids currently seem effective, continued monitoring is essential to detect any emerging resistance. Alternative control methods, such as environmental management and biological control, should also be considered.
How do these findings compare to similar studies conducted in other parts of the world?
The results are mixed. Some studies have shown similar susceptibility to pyrethroids and timefos, while others have reported resistance to these insecticides in different regions. This highlights the geographical variation in insecticide resistance patterns.
What are the broader public health implications of the spread of Aedes albopictus and the development of insecticide resistance?
The spread of this mosquito poses a significant threat due to its ability to transmit diseases like dengue, Zika, and chikungunya. The development of insecticide resistance further complicates control efforts, potentially leading to increased disease transmission.
What are the next steps in research, and what recommendations would you make to public health officials in Morocco?
Further research is crucial to understand the specific resistance mechanisms in the Moroccan Aedes albopictus population. This will inform the development of effective resistance management strategies. Regular monitoring of insecticide susceptibility is also essential, along with the implementation of integrated vector management approaches.
Could you elaborate on the concept of integrated vector management?
Integrated vector management involves a multi-pronged approach combining various control methods. This includes environmental management, eliminating breeding sites, biological control using natural predators, and chemical control, insecticides used judiciously and strategically.
How important is ongoing monitoring and surveillance of insecticide resistance?
It's absolutely critical. Regular monitoring allows for early detection of resistance development, enabling timely interventions to prevent widespread resistance and maintain the effectiveness of control measures.
What are some promising alternative control methods that could be explored?
Several alternatives are being investigated, including the use of biological control agents, such as certain bacteria or fungi that are lethal to mosquito larvae. Genetic control methods are also being explored, but these are still under development.
What are the key takeaways from this research and its implications for policymakers?
This study provides crucial baseline data on insecticide susceptibility in Morocco. It highlights the need for a proactive approach to vector control, emphasizing integrated vector management, regular monitoring, and the exploration of alternative control methods to mitigate the risks associated with Aedes albopictus and insecticide resistance.
This research certainly emphasizes the importance of a multifaceted approach to mosquito control. Thank you for this discussion.